Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel.
Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you are having a fantastic day. Now guys, I am participating in another Tablescape collaboration today. This one is the bold, the blue, and the beautiful. I really love that title. And the host is the lovely Tammy. Tammy's channel is me, myself, and DIYing it. If you want to learn how to do some fantastic DIYs, revamps, and home decor styling, go over and visit Miss Tammy today. Make sure you show her some love. Now, she has two co-hosts, and it is Easy Living with Elle. Don't know if you know Elle's channel, but you really need to go over and pay her a visit. And just to give you a little bit of a tip of what you might see, she says that she is an avid thrifter and she loves all things blue and white. So again, please go over, visit Easy Living with Elle today, and I promise you, you won't regret it. If you visit, I bet you'll subscribe and even hit that notifications bell. Now, the other co-host is Marilyn, and Marilyn's channel is Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Now, I have gone back in Marilyn's content, watched a lot of her videos and some of her earlier videos even, and I'm telling you, she's got videos, DIYs out of this world. You know, you see her building furniture, all sorts of things, and I mean, she really can do a mean tablescape too. So if you don't know Marilyn or you don't subscribe to her channel, go over and pay her a visit today. Show her some love. Now, I want to tell you briefly what I did today. So I kind of stretched myself a little bit. If you've been following me or if you've watched any of my videos, then you know I'm all about the glam. And I think the closest I get to farmhouse is typically more of a rustic glam. Well, today I stretched myself and I went with more of a cottage theme, kind of pared everything down, kept it simple, and I hope you like what I did. I thought, you know what, I am going to be bold. I'm going to try something new, and it's definitely blue, and I hope you think it's beautiful. All right, guys, I'm back, and I just wanted to hop on for a quick second or two to tell you thank you so much for stopping by today and for watching the video. And I really hope you like the tablescape, what I came up with for the bold, the blue, and the beautiful. Also, make sure you go and visit the host. That's Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Uh, Easy Living with Elle her co-host, as well as Marilyn, Fabulous Designs on a Budget. And make sure you go down in that description box. I've got links to all of their channels, as well as a link to the playlist. That way you can easily find all of the other creators and their content, because I know that you'll see some beautiful tablescapes today. And then also, if you're new to the channel, I thank you so much for stopping by, and I really hope that you will consider subscribing, making sure that you hit that notifications bell. Make sure you tap that thing 2 times. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. Now, if you're already a subscriber and you've been with me already, for a while, I thank you so much for that. I appreciate every single one of you. So again, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.